Hi, my name is Katie Schneider. I live in Denver, Colorado, and I'm an engineer. So my device was an external hard drive, and one day I just plugged it in to pull something off of it, and it just didn't work. And I couldn't get it to plug into any computer and be recognized, so just stopped working. So DriveSavers literally recovered everything I had ever created, which is on that drive. So it was tens of thousands of pictures, documents from all my schoolwork that I'd done since high school. Pretty much anything I've ever created. Fortunately, I didn't have any personal documentation on there, but a lot of important things that I really didn't want to lose. And I didn't realize until it was recovered how much I exactly had on there. So I originally found DriveSavers through a company in Denver I had first gone to recover my drive. They referred me to DriveSavers, and they reached out right away, asked me, a little bit more about my device and what I thought was wrong with it. They were very transparent the whole time about, the likelihood of it getting recovered or not, the cost, all those things. And they did call me back and told me the good news that my recovery was successful and I got all of my information and data that was on that drive back. So having a technical engineering background myself, I understand a little bit about how these drives work and what it takes to recover data. When I found out what was wrong with mine, which was physical damage on the disk itself, I knew how difficult that was to recover, and I was quite worried, since it wasn't a software issue, that I wasn't going to get my data back. So without knowing exactly what kind of technology DriveSavers has, I think it's very clear that they have very sophisticated lab and very sophisticated engineers who can recover these drives. I would 110% recommend DriveSavers to someone who's experienced data loss. Not only would I recommend their drive recovery services, but I'd also just recommend their tips. And DriveSavers is a very good resource for data storage and data backup and all of those things related.
DriveSavers. We can save it.